Welcome back everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. We are going to be diving into our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March of 2019. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get diving right into it. If you guys want to know everything there is to know about Ipsy and either one of these bags, then I will go ahead and leave all of that good stuff down below. But let's do this. If you guys are wondering why my voice sounds like this, I've been sick for the past week or so, and then this past weekend I started getting better, and then my voice just completely went out. So that is why my voice sounds kind of here and there. It's a little bit deeper than normal, so yeah, I'm kind of digging it though. You ever get sick and then your voice like starts to like go out or like come in and you're like, ooh, I kind of like it. It's kind of raspy. I don't know, maybe just me? Oh, anyways. So as always, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the $10 bag. Ooh, I love the bag. Look at that. That's cute. I will say this month and last month's bag were really, really adorable. So the very first thing we have here, what is this? Shut the front door. It is the Morphe bronzer, and this is in the shade Debutante. I'm so excited to try this. I've actually heard really great things about, oh, that's nice. That's pigmented. I've actually heard really great things about these bronzers, so I'm excited. I don't know if it's going to be too orange for me, but we'll check it out. We'll try it out. It's worth a shot, and if I like it, I would totally get a full-size version of this. But yeah, nice way to kick off the bag. The next box I have in here is called Estate, and it is a Do Me Baked Highlighting Powder. This is really creamy for a baked highlighter. Typically, I feel like with some baked highlighters that I test out, they're really rough, and sometimes they're pigmented and sometimes they're just really scratchy. So here's what it looks like. It is kind of like an icy white, but it does have a pink reflection to it. I'm actually really impressed by how soft this is, really. The next thing we have here is by Seraphine Botanicals. This here is the Curl Imperial High Definition Curling Mascara. So the next thing I have is the Yensa BC Foundation. It is a BB and CC full coverage foundation. It's got 8 super blacks essence, and it's got an SPF of 40. We did get one last month that I told you guys I was testing out. So far, I've used it twice now, and I really, really like it. A little sneak peek for my monthly favorites. But the shade that they gave me is a medium warm. That actually might work. I was a little nervous that it wouldn't work, but I actually can make that work. And then the last thing I have is the Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask, and this is in clear. I actually have one right now in my shower. So this is actually about my third one. I've received this quite a few times from Ipsy. I do have one currently in my shower that I use. It's good. I wouldn't say it's like anything that I would buy a full-size version of, but it's fine. It works. So 5 products in this bag, and I will tell you right now, this is probably one of the better bags I've had in a really long time from Ipsy. So way to go, Ipsy. Now we're going to move into the big box, which I'm so excited about, you guys. So I don't want to look inside, but here is the card. And then on the front, it says hashtag Ipsy Shiro, which I will put right down here. But if you guys tag Ipsy, make sure to put that as a hashtag. Shut up. No freaking way, you guys. Are you kidding me? We are getting the Ipsy Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, you guys. What the freak? This is awesome. I literally just did a video and I was talking about my Ipsy Obsessions. I have the green one, the Emerald Obsessions. Bomb, you guys. And now I have this one. Oh, and it's the Mauve Obsessions. Wow, you guys. I'd heard from one of my subscribers saying that that her box was going to get one of these, and I was like, that's so awesome. But I didn't want to hype myself up because I didn't know if I was going to get one or not. So my voice is like squeaking. Do you hear it? It's like going up and down. All right. I'm super excited about this palette. I'm totally going to play with this palette. If you guys want to see me do a tutorial using these products, please let me know down in the comments. I totally will do one. Okay. So the next thing I have here is, I do believe we got this last month. These are the Farah, or Farah brushes. We got the face brushes last month. We got a set of 3. I actually used them. I actually used one of them today, and I like them. They're nice. If you wash them, they kind of fluff out a little bit more, and then they're easier to work with. It looks like we're getting a set of 5 brushes. We've got a blending brush, an eyeshadow brush, an angled brush. This one looks like another fluffy blending brush. It's a little bit more wider, which would be good for like setting the lid and stuff. And then we got more of a rounded brush. So really cool. This I could use with that. We'll try them out. We'll definitely have to try them out, but I really like this blending brush. Yeah, that's a nice big fluffy brush. All right, so mine popped out of the box, but we're also going to get a Sunbeam highlighter from Benefit, you guys. So I know you can use this as like a bronze highlighter or just a highlighter. I find it if you use it as like a highlighter, like you put it on the high points of your cheek and then you go over with some like gold highlighter, it like makes it pop even 10 times more. So the next thing I have in here, all right, dang, what is this? Oh my gosh, Ipsy, you're doing good this month. This here is the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift 188, and this is a double brush mascara. Okay, and then the last thing I have here is by Pure Elise. Now, I have heard of this brand. I think I've tried maybe 1 or 2 things from their line. Not very many, so I am fairly new to them. But this here is the Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I am a combo oily person normally, but recently I've been a little bit dry. I think it has to do with me just being a little bit dehydrated from being sick and just the weather and stuff. So I've actually been going towards products that have just a little bit more moisture in them. So this might be actually something I would try out right now. Probably once we get into the spring and summer, it might be too much for me. I'm actually almost done with my current moisturizer, so I might add this into my rotation. I'm actually really impressed, you guys. This is a really good box. Like, I think I've said that before, but this is actually a really good box. I'm impressed. Let me know down below if you guys have seen your sneak peeks and if you guys have received your box already. And let me know down below if you guys are excited for this month's box. If you guys are new to my channel, I encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button down below to be a part of my family. If you guys are already a part of my channel, thank you so much for stopping by for today's video. I will see you guys all in my next video. I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. If you are wanting to see some more subscription boxes or any other videos, there will be some right in here for you guys to check out, some fun videos. So make sure to hit some of those videos and check them out, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.